If you're running an auto repair shop, you already know the biggest challenge isn't fixing cars, it's getting customers through the door consistently. That's where AI is changing the game. Imagine having a system that works 24/7 to attract, follow up, and convert customers without you lifting a finger. That's exactly what AI marketing does. AI can automatically run ads targeted to people searching for brake repairs, oil changes, or engine diagnostics in your local area. It tracks who clicks, who doesn't, and constantly improves results. Even better, AI tools can instantly follow up with leads through text messages or emails, answering questions and booking appointments automatically. No more missed opportunities because you were busy in the shop. AI works while you're repairing vehicles, sleeping, or spending time with family. Shops using AI automation often see more booked appointments, better customer retention, and higher revenue without hiring extra staff. In today's competitive market, autopilot marketing isn't a luxury. It's becoming a necessity for auto repair shops that want to grow without burning out.